With Multiview on YouTube, you can watch up to 4 live programs at once without switching between channels. In this video, we'll show you how. Multiview lets you watch multiple games at once if you bought Primetime Channels, like NFL Sunday Ticket, NBA and WNBA League Pass, or other special live events featured on YouTube, like Coachella. Let's go over how to find a Multiview stream if you bought a Primetime channel, like NFL Sunday Ticket or NBA League Pass. First, open the YouTube app on your smart TV, streaming device, or mobile device during a game or live event. In your home feed, you'll find a Multiview stream either on the recommended Multiviews row or under the live and upcoming row. You can also find Multiview streams on the YouTube homepage of the NFL, NBA, WNBA, or other Primetime channels. While watching a live game, Multiview streams may be suggested to you as Watch Next recommendations. You also have the option to build your own Multiview from a select combination of games. Start by opening a live game from a Primetime channel on your smart TV or streaming device. Next, use your remote to pull up the controls. Then, click Multiview. Next, select View Available Games to add a game to your Multiview stream. You can add up to 3 additional games to your stream. Do note that only games that are currently live and available to watch can be added. With NFL Sunday Ticket Primetime channel, you have access to out-of-market Sunday afternoon NFL regular season games. To add a locally broadcast or nationally televised game to your Multiview stream, you'll need to go to YouTube TV. Once you've built your preferred combination of games, enjoy the stream. Once we have a Multiview stream open, here's how to use it on a smart TV. To change the audio track, use the direction pad on your remote to highlight the view you want to hear. To make one of the streams full screen, use the direction pad on your remote to highlight the view you want to see in full screen. Press the back button on your remote to return to the Multiview stream. If you're watching a Multiview stream on your mobile device, here's how you control your experience. Tap the stream you want to hear. You'll see a white border around the view providing the current audio. To watch one of the streams in full screen, tap the view with the current audio stream. Tap the previous video button on the left to return to the Multiview setup. To learn about the Multiview experience on YouTube, check out the link in the description. Subscribe to YouTube viewers for more tips and tricks.